Laminate flooring in our ultimate guide. From understanding the various types and features to mastering the art of installation, we've got you covered every step of the way. So, if you're ready to transform your space with stylish and durable flooring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Types of laminate flooring. Laminate flooring comes in a wide array of styles, textures, and finishes, catering to every taste and budget. Traditional laminate. Traditional laminate mimics the look of natural hardwood, complete with rich grains and realistic textures. Perfect for those seeking classic elegance without the high maintenance. High gloss laminate. For a sleek and modern touch, high gloss laminate is your go-to option. It's all about that shine and sophistication that can instantly elevate your space. Features and benefits. Now that we've explored the types, let's talk about the fantastic features that make laminate flooring a top choice. Durability. Laminate flooring is designed to withstand the daily hustle and bustle, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. It's resistant to scratches, dents, and fading, ensuring your floors look fabulous for years to come. Easy maintenance. Say goodbye to intensive maintenance routines. Laminate flooring is a breeze to clean. Just a quick sweep and occasional mop will keep your floors looking brand new. Laminate flooring installation. While it might seem daunting, don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to simplify the process. Prepare the space. Start by measuring and preparing your space. Remove any existing flooring and ensure the subfloor is clean, level, and dry. Plank installation. Time to lay down those planks. Begin along a straight wall and work your way across the room, using the click and lock system for a secure fit. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to laminate flooring. From exploring the types and features to mastering the installation process, you're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to upgrade your space. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep designing and creating.